usually when you're murdering someone, you're not calling an ambulance. So now attorney Greg Joseph, not the former Vikings kicker, has filed a memorandum in support of petition for post-conviction relief on behalf of his client, Derek Chauvin, the former police officer in George Floyd. In the 71-page petition filed in Hennepin County District Court, Joseph stated that this case simply never made sense. Among several key arguments, he pointed out how few murders take place before a crowd of witnesses while officers are working with dispatchers and requesting an ambulance and emergency response. I mean, Derek Chauvin, the police called ambulance, they called emergency response, they did all this stuff to try and help a guy who they were arresting for breaking the law multiple times, a guy who had lethal amounts of fentanyl, meth, and what was it, weed and something else in his system. And, you know, usually when you're murdering someone, you're not calling an ambulance
for help to save them,
and you don't get away from them so they can try to provide life-saving care. Usually you don't do that as a murderer. Even the autopsy reported that there were no life-threatening injuries identified, and Floyd had fentanyl, norfentanyl, 4-AS something, methamphetamine, 11-hydroxy-delta-9, cotinine, and caffeine. Well, caffeine, I mean, that's obviously what did it. But a lot of this stuff was just ignored at trial. Body cam footage does not show that he murdered George Floyd. I mean, that you could just play that body cam for the jury and go, what are you guys going to do in this situation? What would you guys do? I think Derek Chauvin was sacrificed to the political correctness gods. He was sacrificed so a city wouldn't burn. In this case, they sacrificed a white guy so race riots wouldn't burn down cities. Like, we have what I think is a man serving time in prison, both federally and state, for something that he's not guilty of. However, letting him walk on that main charge may have led to multiple cities having hundreds of billions of dollars in property damage and probably a lot of dead people. Would we have been better? Are we better off the way it happened? Or would we have been better off if we would have let these guys walk on the murder charges? I don't know. But I do know that I think a guy who's innocent of murder is currently serving prison time for murder.